Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreen.com, and let me show you what I've been working on today. So I've been working on my back deck, and normally I come out this door to show you everything, but it is so sunny, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh, there's Raluca peeking in the door. And why is she peeking? Because she's doing a barbecue. Yum yum. So we have our new barbecue grill over here on this corner, and let me move down over here. Our deck, we've got our feeding station for the birds, and we have our swing so we can enjoy the nice sunny days. And but what I actually did today was put up this greenhouse, and we got it from what's the name of the place, Raluca? We got it from Job Lots, did we? We got this from Ocean State Job Lots, and it's a 80 wide by 80 long greenhouse, and I believe it's like close to 90 inches tall. And so we're gonna go over there and show you that. And over here we have our Blackstone griddle. I love the griddle. I'll make great breakfast on that. Hash browns. Okay, anyways, got my protection here right at the beginning. My food dogs, they are not lions, they are dogs. And this is my tower. If you remember in an earlier video I showed how to make strawberry towers. So this is the tower, starting to grow pretty well. You can see some berries on there already. Matter of fact, we just ate one. And I just brought a few plants in here just to get things in, because I have everything still inside the house. It's still pretty cold out. You can see I got some tomatoes, and these are what are they? Marigolds, and some assorted peppers. All some tomatoes we started from seed. There's some strawberries, some more strawberries. And this is my pepper stations. These are all hot peppers. And like I said earlier, these down there are peas. And those, actually we're trying to weather everything, get everything tempered for the summer, because everything's been inside. And I'm going to put those peas in a bucket and have them start climbing the trellises out here. And now this, give you a little rundown about the greenhouse. It's a great greenhouse. I believe they go for about $150. And we got a deal for it. We waited till fall, and we picked it up. I'm going to sit down while I'm talking to you. We picked it up for $75. So not only did we get the greenhouse for $75, they gave us $75 in crazy bucks, which is basically credit you can use in the store. So you could say we got the greenhouse for free. Isn't that awesome? It's a wonderful greenhouse. The only thing I don't like about it, it has windows. You can see there's one there, roll up windows. But the door, which I have rolled up right over there, has no windows in it. So when it says closed, it's hot. It has two windows on this side. I have them closed right now. And it has no windows in the back. So the front and back have no windows. That's one thing I didn't like about it. It's very roomy, which I do like. The other thing I don't like is these racks. The racks are kind of flimsy, as you can see. And matter of fact, I had to really bend them all to get them to fit. But when you put anything heavy on it, like these tomatoes in my 3-gallon grow bag, so I put that right on the middle. I'm really afraid it's just gonna, you can see it moving, it's gonna fall right through. So later this afternoon or tomorrow, I'm gonna come over with some of those zip ties, and I'm gonna zip tie it in several places all the way around, just so if I have anything heavy, it doesn't collapse. It was fun getting the roof on, I'll tell you. But other than that, I really love the thing. It has a lot of room. It's going to help me to temper my veggies, which is the main reason I had it, to get them ready for the outdoors. And also, it's going to give me a great place to sit out here, because you see there's no roof. So it's going to be a great place for me to sit out on the deck, even when it's raining, especially since, well, I'd say for the last 2 weeks it's been raining. We've had quite a bit of rain. So you can see here's a view of the whole thing. So I love my greenhouse. and it's been fun putting it up, and I just wanted to share it with you. So if you have any questions about it, let me know. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.